My ears, fam. Why are you running? Look at him, look what he's doing. He's hugging the white line on purpose. But I love that everyone hates me. Hate me! Hate you! Hate me!
Oh, look at all these bikes. Oh, okay. We in heaven, I see. We in the heaviest heaven. Bike heaven. Wow. Look at that. Look at all of that. One for the kids. Those little tank fairings. Wow. Wow, the FTR. What a beautiful bike. There's not many places in the world I'd rather be than surrounded by bikes, honestly. Wow. Something about the engine work on these bikes too. Look at the detail. So good. Never seen this light before. That's really nice. I love this loud as look at that. This is loud as hell. Go on, mate. Let's see how you look on it.
So it's kind of like a Ducati monster. Bro, you want to touch the ground.
I won't. It's too tall. Let me see. Oh, this was it. I hold this for a sec. Okay, guys. I've only got 18 minutes left, but I found heaven. Okay, we're still in the Indian store, but you never guess what I found. Look at this. It's MV Agusta, lad. Look at this. We've got Brutales, we've got Super Veloces, and we've got the F3 over here. We've got more F3s. Oh my god, I couldn't believe it. When I stepped in, we were walking outside this way, and I saw the Super Veloce, and I was like, what the hell? They have an MV Agusta in here, and it's absolutely insane. Look at this. Look at that Super. You know how rare these are. You never see them on the road. You never see them anywhere. I've only seen the F4 one time. These are insane. Look at. Oh, I can't believe I'm standing. I can't believe I sat on an F3. Oh my gosh. I tried to sit on the Super Veloce, but the bikes are too close together, so I didn't get a chance. But look at that. That is beautiful. That is absolutely. I don't know what the meaning of this strap is over here, but it looks. I'm touching Super Veloce, guys. I'm touching Super Veloce. Oh my gosh. You got the. Was it the Dragstar? Is it called a Dragstar? I think it's a Dragstar. These, look how massive the tank is. Look at that. That is insane. Of the tank. I don't know if this is a dry clutch, but the see-through, beautiful. Absolutely insane. Single swing dreams, you know how it is. Beautiful. Anything with a single swing arm, automatic beautiful bike in my eyes. And then we have this big, what is it? Turismo Veloce 800. It's an 800. Obviously it's got the front of the F3. Looks really, really good. I think it's got integrated turn signals in here. Look at that. And then we come to the big bad F3, guys. This is a bike of heritage, absolute heritage. I've only seen an F4 up close, but the F3s, they're absolutely beautiful. Look at this. Look at that. Absolute carbon fiber over here. Oh, this must be worth a fortune, man. Oh my gosh. Absolutely insane. Super Veloce. Look at them, two side by side. Got a big one on the rack there. The black one, this one is a bit of me. This one is all me, my friends. Yellowish gold one over here. Absolutely insane. The stylish looks that can only come from a Super Veloce. Even the Brutale looks absolutely. Look at the 1, 2, 3, 4 pipes down here. That big brake light, insane. Wow. Even the little wings down here. The attention to detail on these bikes, just the Italians know what they're doing. They know what they're doing. Anyway, that was me fanboying for a second. I just had to show you guys. I don't know if I have enough space to do an outro with Blaze, so I'll let him do that. I've been your boy Ghost. This has been Off Track TV. It's good to be back with my boy. Hand over to Blaze for the outro, and I'll see you guys later. Love.
Yeah, it's average speed check. Yeah, don't try. I know that trick. Yeah, I know that trick. This guy's trying to squeeze me in this van, bro. It doesn't matter. Oh, we should have went to Greenwich and taken the pictures. Your bike is so loud, bro. Oh, stop, stop! My ears, fam. What? Such a... Man was telling me to slow down, you know. I'm not even going fast. Look, the Mercedes is hugging the white line on purpose. Look at him, look what he's doing. He's hugging the white line on purpose. Oh, we should have taken that left. Honestly, I wasn't even watching the map. I'm just enjoying the ride. Yeah, but he was telling me to rev it, the guy next to me. Come past me. Oh, we're meant to exit again, bruv. Right, you know, after going 50 miles an hour for so long, going 20 feels so slow, fam. What the f? I wasn't going this slow yesterday. I'm just walking, bruv. I might as well walk home. That's a lot of football pitches, fam. I don't even know where we are. Homerton. Oh yeah, now that I've done my first 500 miles, I can ride the bike however I want to now. Yeah, mate. Not I can do what I want, but I don't have to worry about going up in the rev range and all that, you know. I could do it. I'll do it. I'll do it. I'll put the outro in this one, and then I'll cut the outro and make two separate ones. I'm definitely going to clip that in there as well. Oh shit. So why did I follow him? Oh, did you see my back end? I'm laughing, but I nearly myself. I revved it like I opened the throttle, my back end went whoop. Why are you running? No, why are you running? I know where we are. Look at us, eh? Pissing the world off one rev at a time. Who wants it? Running, why are you? Oh, is it loud? Everybody hates me. Everybody hates me. But I love that everyone hates me. Hate me! Hate you! Hate me! Ah, mate. You know what? You know when I'm riding with you, I get a level of excited I don't get when I'm on my own. You know, I swear to God, like, I love riding, but like how I'm acting now, it doesn't come out on my own.